Other safeguards of judicial independence. The Supreme Court is a constitutional body and may not be abolished by the legislature. The members of the Supreme Court are removable by impeachment. Nonetheless, in the case of Republic versus Sereno, the Supreme Court held that impeachment is not an exclusive remedy by which an invalidly appointed or invalidly elected impeachable official may be removed from office. So in the case of Republic versus Sereno, the Supreme Court held that to differentiate from impeachment, quo warranto involves a judicial determination of the eligibility or validity of the election or appointment of a public official based on predetermined rules, while impeachment is a political process to vindicate the violation of the public's trust. In quo warranto proceedings, referring to offices filled by appointment, what is determined is the legality of the appointment. The title to a public office may not be contested collaterally but only directly by quo warranto proceedings. Usurpation of a public office is treated as a public wrong and carries with it public interest, and as such, it shall be commenced by a verified petition brought in the name of the Republic of the Philippines through the Solicitor General or a public prosecutor. The Solicitor General is given permissible latitude within his legal authority in actions for quo warranto, circumscribed only by the national interest and the government policy on the matter at hand. Other safeguards of judicial independence include that the Supreme Court may not be deprived of its minimum original and appellate jurisdiction, and that the appellate jurisdiction may not be increased without its advice or concurrence. The Supreme Court has administrative supervision over all inferior courts and personnel. The Supreme Court has exclusive power to discipline judges or justices of inferior courts. The members of the judiciary enjoy security of tenure. The members of the judiciary may not be designated to any agency performing quasi-judicial or administrative functions. Salaries of judges may not be reduced. Judiciary enjoys fiscal autonomy. The Supreme Court alone may initiate and promulgate the rules of court. The Supreme Court alone may order temporary detail of judges, and the Supreme Court can appoint all officials and employees of the judiciary.